in August. She started August 1st in Plainfield, and we went to Plainfield from August to September, and Cindy went right to the farm, so for a month we weren't together. But maybe she takes more than one class, too.
She might. She might.
Who was your teacher?
Dana.
Stuffy, when it's really
Good girl. Good girl. Nice. You better get your running shoes on. Go straight. Go, go, go.